Ebushanfo Mamunina Akwaba, Eva Ghana TV GH, mesra or like, a comment, subscribe, turn no notification also. So that anytime you post a video, bit say we are Sambeka Biamausu. Wash it. Ebushanfo, assembly there, said I critical, but before we go into it, no, happy Easter. Emma, Obibia, or Ghana TV GH, wherever you are, all over the world. We love and appreciate you. And Pompey say, you will be safe and sound around these festivities. Families gather. And for those of you who are also far away from home, far away from Ghana, we're going to may God keep sustaining you and giving you grace. Because meaning past it's easy. It's easy to leave the motherland and be hustling in the cold. And we love and appreciate your hustle. And we love it and appreciate it. We know the sacrifice you are making for family and for even some of us who are not direct family. Ebushanfo Queen Naya say a petition Ebia Supreme Court. Yes, over the fact say beya we should have a second look. Okay? We should have a second look at the facts in our constitution. No? Every Ghanaian, when you're 18 years, qualified to vote. And they say we must be of a sound mind. That's what the constitution says. But that sound mind part, component of the constitution, as a Ghana has a respected sound mind, no. And as funny as it might sound, no, a important conversation that we must have. Because me and I have ever registered for voters ID. Not once, not twice. And I can say, most of the time, the critical thing I conform register pay attention to the age. And when you go there and you have your birth certificate that is intact. Now on that birth certificate they can ascertain with the 18 now. And they can ascertain so Ghanaian. As to your mental state and fast and share that form, and it's because of this thing that we are having, sorry to say, but in Kwasiaphobia, no matter what a government comes and does, I good, I the progress about mining in ano. Omudo come to one particular way. And no. You have to make Kosuka say democracy in anybody at all can just go and be elected president for us. Me, as for that one, I disagree. Because now we are all suffering from implications, no. And it's our mind ebia out of 5 million people who can vote, no, 3 million will move now me no. And just say some Kosiafo now never selected president am I. Oh, there be. We must bring in a way, something that will be acting like that sieve. Very, very important. And to me, now I can't say no. Now as a agro, but after sitting down and listening to her, no, I mean, and pondering on it, no, I realize no cray. Beyond being a citizen, beyond being 18 years, sound mind aspect, no. Nipa no, let us see the person's sense of reasoning. Obia obetimi aje Maggi ni cube. No akoto about political party. There's nipa no ni sound mind. And they saying we are not supposed to give that person the right to go and vote. There be. Na no say me am crop for ebi mu fu me. But and no they say yanka. We Ghana nina wow say with the 18 years. And so we are going to vote. I don't know what about my party we are. I'm on Maggi ni cube. Yama makina gbelimo. You are not correct. You are not supposed to be allowed close to even a ballot box. And so you are not supposed to be given a voter's ID. You don't have sound mind. You need a psychiatric asylum. That's where you are supposed to go. Yeah. Ebusian for Mumbai. Yes, studio. Mr. President. One baby or any videos they were no. Mr. President, only me never who. And we have some other people who come and join the team. By a studio no pay. So far, Ebusian for idea. We've been able to raise 5,000 Ghana cedis. 5,000 Ghana cedis. I roughly $400 US. Meaning said there's still a long way to go, but me there. Because it's not easy to convince most people who don't know you to believe in such a cause. And Damunyina we appreciate you. What person boy no? Don't go anywhere. Conversation is happening. Yes.
But Ghana for kakre bino. Na de bia moto ma abadema NDC abai but munya hwe apart from Maggi ne banch moreno. Ntino mo ha yen e wo man mu na yen nyina ye advocate say sabe this time around pa the ebe issue voters ID card it needs to pass through a lot of processes because you won say dodo na ye go Ghana no ya adwe ne nye na enti ameka sa ne say wo hwe Ghana ni na time aye raba omia kasa first times and robotics ho ene baby abefo ene wiase akwakodu na opese mebun ti me di omo ho free mental slavery. What you see, mental slavery, no, yes, the bia who should show be the way didn't who. Even the Bible has stated, say, or memo one shrasu your je, and to the be opposition, what they say, overcome it as a chunk of for dia. The bia it tells you, say, you've put in yourself in the mental slavery. Oh, hiani and what the empower so that. This is what na NPP are buying. Epese a gigana mebunwa dream free. So no kase, and found the certificate that you have. You can also do something because uko abefo uko ebibremu abroche na ye nuanom wo ho ya the private sectors ne dodo na ema abroche ya abroche na ye raba omia na ekufu ado aban e de nhihye ye gu akwan mu na de bia komodemi benku ni dokono ye fo ye do hwehwe say Sam George why say politan ka se bi nchen apaya nso free mu ba ye nwi na mahama so ka che pants makaya ye Dabei and 69 years Ghana for we can hold our leaders accountable of what they do with our taxes. Ebusian for na we aba na wababa or the taxes abano wa bisa won say abai na oba or the taxes ne ba no what are the policies a winya son faso policies be na winya son faso at least New Patriotic Party it is the only political party in this country since our independence. Ayebenya democracy and that they bring out social intervention. Those of you that writing bullshit over there, I dare you say muti your man muhanu museya. Wukita Ghana card kwana question because a Ghana card keke krano irresponsible men ne wa Ghana hano. Omo yimu yusu Ghana card di loans. Ede shamo mana ma wegu hose chamwano. Amun shamo no. What you say? And digital address system no ufie na odi ahye tokro mu na ayese chop boss na musi sit down to see baby basabasa na mu pese mu be di mra so no and because of Dr. Muhammadu Bawumianti with a digital address system yetimi trace be hu nkuko buo na ehye kwaye ni mu hono mo no what you say emwa musua nyansa it's about high time ye ni abrese me pa cho se dey. So what you say? And no to no Ghana for the mama sebe ya dwenda ho de bia me ka say obi anywhere those in conform ka say tia Bawumia deep down within the room said Bawumia eye achede anyankopon de ache end time the only leader that can think critically and bring out solutions. What you say? Enye no moja. Bring out solutions no why ye bida and to win nana sebe or ti kroki tuemu because of your road system ni nye adwuma no say unexpected ni sino or jaria enya ni fault to say yan won infant to ho na wentimi amba krokese nko nya ni betimi asena krokese mu ntie that one nana timi nya good health system at least
ansana NDC betimi amba power mu na ye MPP ni mu na ntokwasi we sementu biem we si say enti niama we na AC no e kasa kire se unua nya kura na oye unua ena yesu okro mpete edi unama ebi yedai ebi ka enti me kisramo sa propaganda na NDC for da bia ya meka no NDC for omeba power tro ena etro ena omode ba power enti ye na yenso yese NPP for na yenso no da bia ye din amoba media no so no mo be ka ma dwen omoba media so no mo be twatro mo be yese propaganda yese na ye ka no na do danko akofo ado ene ba omi anyankopon ena da sa niema we nyina di obi wo power a o rulu ntokwa sie mu gina asimpie so ka kire se nya ntokwa bia na ntokwa na ayekoso no enya Ghana na wefo na anya ntokwa nti ntokwa no enya sunsu boni bia ewo Ghana ye mamu mu de nura ya mu de ba ya botimi anya chawo aka sai ye de na aba ne de ntokwa na ayekoso no benya sunsu ewo ye ya mamu onu nti mesra ma MPP for we nyankopon ena eto nsuo egu na nado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo 8 years omo betwa ye ho ye beka no kura first 4 years for akofo ado ye who crisis bia first 4 years ye to about first 4 years akofo ado be ye bia perfect the second 4 years na crisis na start say you know ena e ma say ABT MPP ni amen to aba na NDC for so the jandam na mu ena omo hwiamo ena koko ye ba mu sei but empire me ba ne di kakra me waka ne say mesra mo MPP for mo me nyasa me nto aba ena we akoye the base ena we the base o the hwan o mo bi say ala nchemante say okwate ne party akowie ne say enti ye kra no anytime ni party triwa o MPP mu e be free party no eno kra ne ewi ni power enti say the omo the base o omo hwan o omo den o emu ya bam but there metimi aka ne se mumma ye MPP for unim se o ye MPP ni a sori waka na ye adwumaden ma MPP no na sa omo jandam ne de da bia omo de baba se ye omo de ba ne ye din so da bia omo de babu nkama fa ye so because o here adwuma 2020 8 years for akofo den ba omi arezu adwuma omo ye na da bia me kam se Dr. Kwame Nkrumah kura me se adwuma no ada is fact but ye mpanyimfo na antimi and sele nana adodanko akofo ne ba wumia adwuma na ombe ye no omo ye pese me kum na mafia game ana ombe ball party no eti bi sire sa mafia game no ene ku ye MPP for NDC for ne enti bi nko akansie enwi ne ye da emre kwan ya ye party no tete yanim ebi si da eti ya sire mo nka bomu ana no kure because they said the economy MPP for nkwa na eboye ma ye Ghana nyina na eboye ma nti madawro ma na pe de mo ye den aka na pe mo ye den 2028 Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ba ye president e wo Ghana skakra me kan no me da se o mi tie me so me bi wa dwuma mutimi nkasa
$98 to $100 and $91 kra no matu musa no.
Okay. Etino ene emu beye deyi ene se me no ka se fu aboa ye dian ne ntimi nto he wo be hia driver ni bia na wo muna na wo kasa menim mesere mo hia driver fo na ya mo wo matena wa ha be fu mu trim ya fa driver fo ni bitrim o mo kasa rough wo hia driver ni bia na wo kasa menim we voice of MPP me chia ma me chia eti na question that board ne say do you think say with the current hardship Ghana for come do you believe and I said do you think say 2028 Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ye be sure ni na and another question ye buza eti no ma me fan starting free friend say voter Brem bi mama na me nkasa bebrebe
Yeah, Brapani.
Yes sir.
Me da say Where the my network no have me no enumerate no make asana
Yeah.
e bia wonte me kan no. You see,
Okay.
many I went for the say young kwagina and sana ye bua. I very simple. You see, more na mubu yes asante for say obi ankasa pudu nshi na yen de yen radio.
Inijo. Yeah.
And so I said ya obi abetwe ne sekan.
Aye be the head
What you
pa
say?
ye bayira. Unze ye bayira asre. Bayire. Aha, bayira e mfata eja egu apata so na eja atom.
Yes.
Eja atom say
Na
e se
ashia bin.
ben e se head pa.
Yes. Many are here. They say Ghana for baby obefa bia o app yi so last comment session sir. And then o post to video na start air praise you. And you some people near post video pepe obia the better comment and when you about masa bra hwe near my Mahama Eddie Ghana for no say yeah so you Ghana ni na se oti Ghana ha ana obeti ne ye kana se mo amotiti abro kire de e bia na sabi o mo de mo nhye da ni problems ha menua light ayeto na na do time na me use a month bi na me use be 500 cedi and then me use 1300
Oh.
huh me use 1300 na maza me say e ka me nko anka kina ye nkoto aba e ka me nko a NDC for no mo say abampapa aba da ba na wati sen bibi NDC ni bi kama abampapa ba wati bi de na so wati bi
Mti bi ache.
okay say by some month ago and John Mahama third term na say wati bi
Ene uka tetem a obi be bo wano nyina be ho no. Ubi wano ka tetem jo ma tetem a ubo hu di wano be ye.
na me no ma dey me there I can say it in authority say omo bre pa wa Ghana NDC for
Yeah.
ma me ma typical example ba ko penalty so ko Western North ya won 9 constituency and e wo ho 9 constituency no omo nyina ye kokoo kuafo
Oh.
ya to about 2024 no 9 no
Abraham for intimi ma I don't know. Sorry.
yes
Abraham for intimi connect. I don't know the reason why.
yes
Why?
so far 9 constituency all Western North na ya to about 2024 no emu 8 and this na winning nyina MBB we ne ba akopɛ menua na nsan ya ti kokoo buasu wa no mafoka abankra ha ba demonstration
Hey, Uma. Say before no.
e kire se nkrofo a omo ho akire omo power ban we mu na NDC fo
Yeah.
eto so biom na no voter region John Mahama to BEC for registration mu the whole Ghana obi anya demonstration say adana yatum ma omo ye demonstration no omo free voter region ana meboa
Me ba just have pepe.
voter region why no moto aba ma omo aye NDC for menua maka kire o say menua maka kire o say so we MPP ni 10 agina ha na we NDC ni so 10 agina ho a MPP ni 10 no se petrol bo kokra kodu 1 million per liter obetumi ato obetumi ahwe ne ba free class 1 akopi university obetumi aye etuaka emu MPP for nwotwe betumi aye saade na meken by NDC no aye nipa 2 pe na betumi aye saade no a kire wo se omemu ye din a MPP for yan no betumi aka kire wo se MPP ni bia ni wo wo tifi onya adwuma
Yeah.
every buyer of MPP ni a sabi what to ababa year 2008 sa eba no obi aye adwuma oni bojo bi odi betwitwa ne wan hwe ne ba atua ne ba ne light bay the water bay dia masa MPP co position crash so many years crash yan no ye betumi a survival
Yeah.
by NDC for ntesa John Mahama ba ye menua all the sector of the economy na collapse
Yeah.
Oh yeah, aban adwuma ye ni a when you share because obi aye adwuma 15 months ye ntua ne ka otifie. Oh yeah, nurse ni teacher ni when you share. Oh yeah, kokwe ni when you share. Mo amudo beans when you share. Mo amudo bro when you share. Cashew when you share.
Yeah.
Chira me why na John Mahama ban wondi ne hwambo. Na krofo yanzu ne ebo mu koto aba e ma John Mahama.
Yeah.
Enti me say, what the opera?
Yeah.
Ye shada achina ya video na kase Mahama NDC ni MPP ni ana Baomia ni Asiedu Nketi anase Julius Zebre ni yanto aba na odi hwe vote no be hu de obenya.
Yeah.
Enti I am very clear say Dr. Mahmoud Baomia de sane enyum na opepa wa say ye nyankopon etomre bi odi ukosie na wasiesie amene no do na wayi wa abekere. Enti nyankopon hyeda na ni Dr. Mahmoud Baomia ko say wa shrete sense roma entro a omutwa fa ne ho atam omudi no ensamfo omuka fa ne ho nyina ne ho aye fita sesekyerema.
Wow.
Ene obi apeso oti papa we anim asem keke.
Yeah.
Obi apeso oti Dr. Mahmoud Baomia. Enti no yande de be ka ne say ye wani da so say ene ekina kra ye to aba MPP ye beba power. Na ye ogidie say ye be adwumaden 2028 no do a vote a ye benya no amanfo ye mbehye omo e wa Ghana ha. Me ne